OGEN stock analysis tomorrow, Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy in this freaking space that has done 41,000 videos and actually documented them all. I'm not saying this to just kind of exaggerate stuff, but it's just the truth. And then ultimately, it's just a bearish market. I mean, all that to say, I'm just going to mark out the previous low. It's the 2-hour chart here. Let's go 1 hour. Honestly, man, only if I see some sort of like a double break, I'm going to look to take it further down. Like randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. I just don't like the environment. I just don't like, overall, I don't like how we're positioned. Most of the times in this, I mean, I'm now just staying away. I'm not even going to look to trade this. Because what the hell are these candles, man? What the hell is this candle? Don't like it. Had like a reverse play, just very, yeah, just yesterday, I think. This wasn't first. Yeah, it was like third. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails.